Hi diddly ho, Prepperinos. A lot of you have been asking about my skincare routine. Okay, not really, but I have had some questions about the butane stove that I featured in that other video. People want to know how to put it together. It went kind of quick in that video, so today we'll slow it down. I'll do a short video on how to assemble and operate a butane stove. Alright, this is not too difficult. First, I want to say to remember to read the instruction manual, follow all the safety warnings, including not using this in an enclosed area or near anything that's combustible. When you receive this and open it, take it out of the package, this needs to be flipped around. You open up the side, there's a compartment here. You want to make sure that it's in the unlocked position and that it's turned off. There's a little latch here. The tip of the butane bottle will go in here. Make sure you use butane. Don't try to stick anything else in here. There's a notch on the butane bottle, and that goes under the latch. Go from unlock to lock, and it pushes that into the device. So there, we've closed it. To start it, you're going to turn this all the way over to ignition. It has an ignition in there, so I'll turn that all the way down and it lights. If it doesn't light, turn the knob all the way to off. Check your fuel canister to make sure it isn't empty. If the ignition is broken, you'll need to use a long match or lighter to light the fuel. Beware of things with a rubber or plastic handle because the heat coming around could melt it. So it's best to use something completely of metal. Turn it off, open this, unlock, pull it from the back, and that's it. Replace the cap. Make sure this is cool before you store it. And it can go right back in its storage case.
And that's it. Thanks for watching my video. Please like and subscribe, and remember that preparedness is something that everyone can do for every day, not just doomsday.